I'm sitting here today with John Reynolds, the entrepreneur for the redesign of a rotational casting machine he has titled the Roto Workhorse.
We're very excited to introduce a re-engineered production quality rotational casting machine at an affordable price. The following is an instructional video on how to use your new Roto Workhorse.
We're about to get started with our first project. In step one, we prepare the mold. John, what is involved in this process?
Well, we're working with a silicone mold today, and even though this does not require a release agent, I recommend using a release agent.
John, I noticed that the star has some gold coloring on it. What is that for?
That is cast magic. You can pre-finish the surface before adding the resin.
John, is there a silicone release that you prefer to use?
All the materials that are used in this video are Smooth-On Incorporated products.
Let's move on to step two.
Step two involves three parts. First, wrap the mold in stretch wrap or shrink wrap.
John, what is the purpose for wrapping the mold?
To secure the mold parts and to contain the material if there is a leakage. The second part is weighing the mold and the amount of material to be used. After that, you're ready to secure the mold to the mounting plate.
In step three, we're going to discuss the variable speed controls.
The Roto Workhorse has variable speed settings for both the arm and the mounting plate.
Why do you need dual speeds?
The ability to control both vertical and horizontal speeds allow you to fill all cavities evenly in the mold.
Moving on to step four, we can now mix and add your pre-weighed material. Is there anything we need to be aware of before starting the machine?
Yes, you need to make sure the plug is secured. I use tape over the plug.
John, how long do you leave it rotating?
The method I use is to leave a small amount of material in the pour cup. Set the cup at a 45-degree angle so the material puddles, creating a thick area and feathered edges. This allows me to test the gel set of the material in the mold.
When do you stop the rotation?
When the material in the pour cup no longer moves.
Step 5 is removing the mold from the mounting plate. John, are we ready to open the mold?
No, even though the material no longer moves, it has not reached a demold hardness. This particular mold can be set aside and the next mold can be secured to the mounting plate, keeping production at a maximum.
Final step is opening the mold. Is there anything to be cautious of here?
Carefully separate the mold parts. The piece could possibly not be fully cured and could be easily deformed. You're now ready for final prep and post-decorating.